and welcome back, everybody. If you're looking out how to recover the deleted post on your Instagram and you are wondering steps to restore it, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. You can open up the Instagram application for that, tap on it, and open up your Instagram application. And from there, you can tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. After you access your profile picture right here, what you need to do is basically open up the menu, look out for the three-line menu icon in the top right corner and select it. And once you select it, you need to go ahead and look out for the Your Activity option from your menu. So tap on it and open it up within your settings and activity. Now, all you gotta do is basically access this option right here called Recently Deleted. So find this option right here called Recently Deleted or Archived Content and tap on it. After you tap on it, in the section right here, you need to just go over and select the post that you want to restore from the list. So you can just go over and hold it up or select it. And once you select it, you can look out for the three dot. This one is a story, but even in post, you should be finding a restore option. So you just need to find this option of restore and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you need to confirm the pop-up that you would like to restore your deleted post. And you just need to go over and confirm that pop-up right here, tap on restore. And once you do so, that particular post will be restored on your Instagram. And that is it. So you can just go over and follow this process. You can confirm the action by tapping on the restore option, and the post will be returned to your profile feed once again. And that is how you recover your deleted post on Instagram. So even if your post is not available after 30 days, so there is a certain time interval. After 30 days, deleted posts are permanently removed and cannot be recovered through this feature. So this is only the method available if you want to recover your deleted post on Instagram. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.